Did you know early access to books, known as ARCs, Advanced Reader Copies, is a dream come true for book lovers and aspiring influencers? But there's a catch. Not all ARC reviews are created equal. Stay with me, because I'll reveal easy do's and don'ts that help you get more ARCs, help authors, and maybe even grow your own following. Plus, I'll show you how the Booktasters community can help both readers and authors thrive. What is an ARC and why should you care? ARC stands for Advanced Reader Copy. It's a free book sent out before official release, hoping for honest reviews from passionate readers. Your feedback shapes the book's reach, helps authors improve, and gives future readers a sneak peek. It's a win-win if you know the right review etiquette. The do's of writing ARC reviews. Let's dive into what makes a reader a reviewer that authors trust, and what will get you invited for more ARCs. Read what you love. Only request ARCs in genres you truly enjoy. This ensures genuine feedback and keeps your review record strong. Keep your commitments. If you request an ARC, review it on time. Ideally around release day or earlier, but late is better than never. Be honest and constructive. Share what you liked, what didn't work for you, and why. Always focus on what helps fellow readers and authors, not just what you liked. Highlight details. Talk about the plot, pacing, and characters. A few sentences isn't enough. Specific feedback is gold for authors. Avoid spoilers, or mark them clearly if you mention them. Protect the experience for other readers. Post everywhere. Put your review on Goodreads, Amazon, and communities like Booktasters. The more visibility, the better for you and the author. Thank the author, shocker, publisher. Show appreciation for the opportunity. They'll remember your positive attitude, the don'ts, and how they hurt your credibility. These common mistakes can backfire. Don't over-request. Only request ARCs you know you'll read. Too many unreviewed ARCs damage your reputation with publishers and communities. Don't disappear. Ghosting on reviews lets the author down and closes doors for future collaborations. Don't rant or attack the author. Focus all criticism on the book itself, not the creator. Even if you dislike it, be kind and fair. Don't leave bare-bones reviews. One-liners like "good book, liked it" don't help anyone. Add detail and context so others benefit from your opinion. Don't manipulate or be pressured. If someone tries to dictate your star rating or wants you to hide criticism, it's not ethical. Don't spoil without warning. Keep plot twists a secret or clearly labeled as spoilers in your review. Don't review before publication, unless allowed. Follow publisher or author guidelines for timing, especially on sites like Amazon. Easy structure for standout ARC reviews. Ready to stand out? Here's a simple template. Try it out next time. Summary. What's the book about and why did you pick it? What worked? 1 to 3 things you enjoyed. Characters, writing, themes. What didn't, if anything? What didn't click for you, stated kindly. I found the pacing slow, but fans of introspection might love it. Who would like it? Suggest the target readers, fantasy lovers, mystery fans, etc. Closing, star rating optional, your personal takeaway, and a thank you for the ARC. Experiment, track your ARC review growth. Try this. Make a tracker using Google Sheets or Notion. Log every ARC you receive, review dates, where you've posted, and any replies from authors or publishers. Over time, you'll see your reach and reputation building. Resources. Every ARC reviewer needs Booktasters community, the fastest way to find new ARCs and authors wanting reviews. It's a trusted space for both new and seasoned reviewers. Authors, submit your books here and build buzz ahead of release. Goodreads and Amazon. Must-post locations for meaningful reviews. Canva. For eye-catching graphics, no design skills required. ARC Tracker Sheet. Organize your review schedule for stress-free commitments. Reviewer Guides. Read up weekly on platforms like Booktasters, Literary Inspired, or Reader Fox for the newest tips and trends. Final challenge, level up your ARC skills. Want to unlock more ARCs and build real influence? Here's your challenge. Join Booktasters, Request one ARC this week and use the do's and don'ts from this video to craft your best review yet. Post your review on at least 2 platforms and share your link below. Each month, I'll feature the best reviews for a shout-out and exclusive reviewer tips. Subscribe for more ARC tips and bookish advice. Comment below. What's the first ARC you'd love to review and why? Check the video description. Authors, get your books reviewed by passionate, reliable readers. Join Booktasters today. See you in the next video, where every review makes a difference.